test of the New York City Emergency Alert System. In the event of an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test of the Emergency Alert System is now concluded.
Your local authorities have issued a monthly test of the Emergency Alert System. This required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System has been issued for the following areas: in New York, Albany, Bronx, Dutchess, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Rensselaer, Richmond, Rockland, Saratoga, Schenectady, Suffolk, Warren, Washington, and Westchester. This is only a test.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Freeport, Valley Stream, Long Beach, Garden City, Lynbrook, Mineola, Westbury, Farmingdale, Massapequa, Plainview, Whitmere, Levittown, Hempstead, Chedarhurst, and Atlantic Beach.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government.
At 5:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for the Scarborough area, Ontario.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is part of a nationwide live code test of Emergency Alert System capabilities. This test message has been initiated by...
Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. I repeat, civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living.
Severe storms to your weekend plans.
No one in North Central Montana can quote. Experience you can trust. Technology you can count on. KRTV Storm Tracker Weather, Montana's most accurate. You flip, but they flop. You flip, but they flop. Hi, Mark Gill here with a perfect...
Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available.
This is what about 3,000 Wave cable subscribers in Jefferson County received around 8:30 last night. And to warn you, what you are seeing is a fake, an emergency bulletin about a radiological event. And to be clear, there was no emergency. But it was taken seriously by some on ZipWhip. One person wrote this to us at King 5 saying, quote, "We experienced an hour of pure terror. We evacuated our house with our dogs and drove to Sequim to my parents, wondering when and if we would die."
Authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living.
Well, we've been telling you about this fake zombie alert all week. Some find it funny, but authorities are not laughing. They say they are dead serious about figuring out who hacked into the nation's public warning system, and the consequences could be severe. The fake warning was heard by people in different cities across the country, including right here in Portales by those watching PBS. The U.S. recently replaced its old telephone-based alert system with a web-based one, and somehow someone hacked it. The Federal Communications Commission has urged stations to reset their alert system password.
National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning.
Your local broadcasters volunteers no need to airtime to bring you these messages.
The request of the Indiana State Police, the Indiana Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert.
Authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living.
Stay calm, as authorities have been dispatched to deal with these creatures. An all-clear siren will be sounded when this situation is under control.